Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Amazing bit of kit here if you're disabled especially and you want one leg further in front than the other. This particular set of 4 controls for a Rocket 3 Roadster, okay, allows you the luxury of moving this to here or here. So you can actually have these footrests exactly where you want them. Or if you're disabled, for instance, and one leg doesn't bend as much, you can have this one right here, this one back here. So it's actually give you the option of moving them wherever you like, which is pretty cool. No one else I've ever seen has done this before. You normally buy a set of 3" plus, 4" plus, whatever it is you want, whereas this will do the whole job. Okay, or technically you could re-drill a hole and mount them yourself, just cut the rods down. But very simple to fit. Literally, if you watch my video, you see they bolt straight on. These all mount onto the original frame bolts. All the bolts are ready in place. Okay, fantastic bit of kit, very, very well thought out. The linkages obviously just go straight on. Okay, so this is going to go on here, this is going to go onto your bike, and then if you want the footrest shoved back, okay, you can see if this was here, you'd need the shorter rod or this one. Now this one here, as you can see, comes with the 3 rods for the brake, so that's basically going to go through here. You can imagine the length. This is for obviously back to here. This spring, your original master cylinder will go through here, and this spring gives it the pressure. Okay, and then this is one rod, this is the other rod. Okay, but cracking bit of kit, made in Europe. None of your Far Eastern stuff, if you excuse the phrase, but very easy to understand, good instructions as well. You know, spring nut cap, which is basically all ready together, as well as the bolts. So the bolts are actually all in position. You literally just got to take your nuts off, put them in. These bolts here, literally screw them straight in. Bit of Loctite I'd recommend, but amazing quality. Made in Germany, like I say, top of the range. We do 4 controls for pretty well any bike. You know, set the VMAX. I think the VMAX is about the only one we don't do. Even doing for Wild Stars, etc. Come complete with Zerk fittings or grease nipples, whatever you want to call them. So you've got a real high quality product. And again, the chroming very good. You know, stainless steel gimbals on it, or rose joints, whatever you want to call them. If you're interested, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or use like customcruisers.eu. These aren't cheap, these are German type approved, therefore you are going to be paying a lot of money. But around about 1600 quid. It sounds a lot, but if you bolt these things straight on, and they are that simple to fit, literally these will just bolt straight on. No messing about. Sit on the bike, work out where you want your feet, literally get a mate to go, where do you want it, here, stick it on, and away you go. And I say, ideal for disabled veterans, etc., where you could have one foot, often the right foot doesn't bend as much, so your right foot right out and your left foot back here. But that's another option which no one else will offer. Okay, customcruisers.com, the new site customcruisers.eu is coming along. But if you're interested, the best way is give us a call, 01773835666, or alternatively sales@customcruisers.com. Thank you.